So, get this. The world of artificial intelligence just experienced a seismic shift, one that nobody saw coming, and it's got everyone talking. The tech world was buzzing. Google had just unveiled Gemini 3, their next-gen AI. It was supposed to be the headline event, the moment everyone had been waiting for, with months of anticipation and speculation leading up to it. But before the applause faded, a Chinese company called DeepSeek quietly dropped a new model online. No teasers, no hype. Just a sudden release that caught even industry insiders off guard. No flashy event, just a silent earthquake that made everyone ask, wait, what just happened? It was the kind of move that instantly changed the conversation. DeepSeek, a newcomer from Beijing, released a powerful open-source model rivaling the best, at a fraction of the cost. Suddenly, the barriers to entry for cutting-edge AI seemed to crumble overnight. This wasn't their first disruption. Their earlier model was so efficient it even caused Nvidia's stock to dip. Investors and analysts scrambled to understand what this meant for the industry. Suddenly it was clear, you didn't need the priciest hardware for top-tier AI. The playing field was being leveled, and smaller players could now compete with the giants. While Google's Gemini 3 was the blockbuster, DeepSeek was the indie film stealing the show. It was a classic underdog story, but with global stakes. It was a direct challenge to the American tech giants, proving Chinese labs could make AI that's lean, fast, and open for everyone. The world was watching as the balance of power began to shift. This wasn't just about two companies. It signaled a massive shift in the global AI landscape. The competition was now international, and the stakes had never been higher. The old leaders now faced a serious new competitor, one playing by different rules. The strategies that worked before suddenly seemed outdated. DeepSeek leveraged the open-source community, a global network of developers and researchers. This collaborative approach meant rapid innovation and constant improvement. This surprise launch didn't just introduce a new product, it forced everyone to rethink who's really leading the AI race. Suddenly, the leaderboard was changing in real time. The competition was no longer just about size or hype, but about accessibility and innovation. The future of AI was being rewritten, and anyone could join the story. The AI world had just been flipped upside down. What comes next is anyone's guess. And the race was suddenly wide open, with new contenders ready to sprint ahead. DeepSeek's big splash was no fluke. It's part of a massive wave of Chinese innovation that's sweeping across the global tech landscape, reshaping the future of artificial intelligence. China now dominates open-source AI, with most top-performing models on platforms like Hugging Face, coming from Chinese labs and research teams. The US used to lead this space, but that's changed dramatically in just a few years. Labs like Jipu AI, 01 AI, Qwen, and DeepSeek are releasing world-class models at breakneck speed, outpacing many Western competitors. They're pushing boundaries and sharing everything: code, methods, and results, fueling a culture of rapid progress and transparency. This has created a vibrant ecosystem where startups and developers worldwide are building on Chinese models, sparking new ideas and collaborations. The more these models are used, the better they get, thanks to global collaboration and constant feedback from an ever-growing user base. It's a stark contrast to the closed systems of OpenAI or Google, where access is tightly controlled and innovation is often limited to a select few. The open nature of Chinese models is attracting a massive, global community, creating a network effect that's hard to beat and accelerating progress even further. This isn't luck, it's a strategic shift, driven by a clear vision to lead in AI through openness and collaboration. China has embraced open source, making advanced AI free and accessible not just for its own citizens, but for anyone around the world. Now, the center of gravity for open-source AI has shifted eastward, with China at the heart of this transformation. The rest of the world is scrambling to catch up, racing to adapt to this new reality and keep pace with China's momentum. China is now the unexpected leader in the open-source AI revolution, setting the pace for the next era of global innovation. Why is open source AI such a game changer? It's not just about access, it's about empowerment, collaboration, and the freedom to innovate without barriers. With closed models like OpenAI's, you're renting a tool, paying for every use, bound by their rules. You're limited by what the company allows, and your creativity is often boxed in by paywalls and usage restrictions. Open source gives you the toolbox, blueprints, and materials for free. You get everything you need to build, experiment, and learn at your own pace, without hidden costs. Developers can take, modify, and use these models however they want. No paywalls, no restrictions. The biggest advantage? Cost. But it's also about flexibility and creative control. Training big AI models is expensive, but open source lets you skip that step and fine-tune on cheaper hardware. This lowers the barrier to entry for individuals and startups. Now, even small teams can build cutting-edge AI products. They can compete with larger companies and bring their ideas to life faster than ever before. Open source also means control. You're not at the mercy of a company's pricing or policies. You decide how your AI works and who gets to use it. You can run models on your own servers, ensuring privacy and customization. Sensitive data stays with you, and you can adapt the technology to your unique needs. This freedom sparks innovation and lets developers integrate AI directly into their apps. It encourages experimentation and rapid progress. No more lag or dependence on third-party servers. Your AI runs where you want, as fast as you need. For businesses, it means faster, more reliable AI. They can deliver better products and services to their customers, with confidence in their technology. Open source puts powerful AI in the hands of creators everywhere. Artists, engineers, and entrepreneurs can all benefit from these tools. It's about democratizing technology, not just serving customers. It's about building a community where everyone can contribute and benefit. The future of AI is being built by everyone, not just the tech giants. Open source is making sure that innovation is truly for all. The US isn't standing still, it's responding with a new kind of open source movement. American projects are focusing on transparency, safety, and trust. Take Olmo from the Allen Institute for AI, they're releasing everything: training data, code, evaluation methods. The goal is a glass box AI, where researchers can see exactly how it works and address biases. NVIDIA's Nematron and startups like RC are building adaptable, secure models for businesses. The American approach is about building trust and reliability, not just speed. It's a bet that true openness and careful design will win in the long run. The US open source community is saying, let's move carefully and build things right. Meanwhile, Google's Gemini 3 is all about polish and integration. Unlike open source models, Gemini 3 is a finished product, woven into every Google service. Its multimodal abilities, understanding text, images, audio, and video, set it apart. With billions of users, Google can roll out new features overnight. The goal: make AI feel like a natural extension of your daily tools. But this is a closed system. Google controls the model, the experience, and the data. Users are customers, not collaborators. Gemini 3 shows the power of a centralized, well-funded approach, but it also highlights the divide: polished control versus open creativity. The AI battle isn't just in labs. It's shaking up the stock market. DeepSeek's efficient models spooked investors, even causing NVIDIA's stock to dip. If companies can get top AI performance for a fraction of the cost, the whole industry's economics change. Cloud giants like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google, who rent out expensive computing power, suddenly face new risks. Chinese AI companies are offering services up to 99% cheaper than US counterparts. Even global companies like Airbnb's China division are switching to local models for the savings. China's edge, massive data, government support, and relentless efficiency. This price war is forcing every company to rethink what AI should cost. The pressure is on Western firms to adapt or lose ground. We're at a crossroads in AI's evolution. Two powerful ecosystems are emerging: China's fast, open, cost-efficient model, and America's polished, safe, and integrated approach. Chinese labs are winning on accessibility and global adoption. US giants like Google focus on seamless closed systems, while projects like Olmo push for radical transparency. It's a battle of good enough and cheap versus perfect and premium. This isn't just corporate rivalry, It's a debate about what AI should be open and wild, or safe and curated. Each path has risks and rewards, innovation versus control, freedom versus trust. The big question: which model will define the future? The race is on, and the choices we make now will shape AI and our world for decades. The future of AI is being decided right now.